Now, as the second wave of the COVID pandemic surges across India, Uttar Pradesh is a major concern because cases here are up 5 times in just a week. Within the state, a big worry is the spread to small towns, something the state government has flagged now, appealing to everyone to mask up and those eligible to get vaccinated.
A full day's election campaign amid crowds with no masks for UP Chief Minister Adityanath in small town Bengal. But back home, a crackdown on people not wearing masks. Some like this incident in eastern UP's Azamgarh getting out of hand.
मैं मानता हूं कि मेरे पास मास्क नहीं था, गमछा मैंने लगाया हुआ था, वो थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे भी हो सकता है, लेकिन उनको जो है चालान करने का ही अधिकार है, लेकिन मारपीट करके मुझको चोरों की तरह घसीट के और मेरा जो है पूरा मान मर्दन करते हुए जो है कोतवाली तक मेरी बारात निकालना, ये उनका अधिकार नहीं।
UP's active COVID cases have risen a massive 27 times in just a month, from 1,600 active cases a month ago to almost 28,000 now. While Uttar Pradesh's capital has a major share of these cases and daily fresh ones, the COVID pandemic is also surging in Uttar Pradesh's small towns. But little was done to prevent such crowds in several towns a couple of weeks ago.
आपस में भीड़ का भी है, सब त्योहारों में लोग आए हैं, घरों पे आए हैं, पॉपुलेशन की मिक्सिंग हुई है और कोरोना कई स्टेट्स में है तो यहाँ पर भी.
In Prayagraj, there were 915 fresh cases on Tuesday, and in Varanasi, 711. They rose at a startling rate of almost 2,500%. Cases are also rising in Kanpur, Gorakhpur, Lalitpur, Meerut and Jhansi. Around Holi recently, these shocking visuals of huge crowds taking part in the festival in both cities. No masks, no social distancing was enforced.
और हमारी ये कोशिश है कि 1.5 लाख से 1.25 लाख तक हम टेस्ट रोज करवाएं. इस समय हमें अत्यधिक सावधान रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है और सबसे जो कारगर तरीका है जो आपको और आपके परिवार को बचाएगा वो मास्क पहनना है.
Worry in capital Lucknow too, which saw 1,200 new cases on Tuesday. Between 30 to 40 doctors and the Vice Chancellor at the prestigious government-run King George's Medical University, a key COVID hospital, have tested positive. On Wednesday, the high-profile BJP organization in charge for UP, Sunil Bansal, who met the CM on Tuesday, tested positive. With Ravi Prakash Singh in Azamgarh and camera person Rajesh Gupta, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.